Go down to 18 on my gain here. There's a lot of iron here. Finally, I'm getting a halfway decent target here. There's a lot of iron here. This is all the stuff that he pushed up. This Equinox is struggling with this iron right here. Big time. Big time, big time. Just so many nails here, man. Just all nails. I think that was it right there. It's a nail. Big piece of iron down there. Big piece of iron. Oh man, big piece of iron. Yeah. I'm not going to be hitting anything good that deep with this little coil on, so. Probably some big iron. Yeah, it's a huge piece of iron. Is that it right there? No. Okay, I don't think this is... Yeah, it's just a big nail. Be easy with it though. Could be horseshoe. Is it a horseshoe? Oh my lord. You gotta be kidding. No. Oh man. I just broke it, whatever the heck it was. Oh man. This is all fill that they brought up, so just no telling what we're gonna find up here. It's a big washer. Yeah. Big washer. Throw that up over there, right next to the fence. Oh, wow, landed in the fence. Okay. So I'll just cover my whole back up. Quite the endeavor. It's probably still down there, yeah. It's a hole that we dug before. All this is going to be developed anyway, so. It's crazy how many rings we found over here. I wonder where Jim went to. All this is full of iron. Just iron over here. This one sounds junky, but I'm gonna still dig it out though. Sounds very junky now. Right in there. There's some epic relics up here, man, I'm telling you. It's a washer. Yeah, it's a washer with this nail, with a square nail through it. This sounds killer. Digging a big hole because it could be a relic, an epic relic. All right, there, come on, maybe. Right in there. Right there. He just dropped whatever it was right there. It's a beaver tail. No, it's part of some aluminum. Cut slice of aluminum. Jewelry Hill's on again. I'm at Jewelry Hill. This is the first time I've ever had Knox. The Knox on Jewelry Hill. So it's owned by the city. We just found out it's owned by the city, so we can dig up here all we want, man. There's a little bit more of that aluminum right there. Climb over this fence here real quick. This is where a park's gonna be at. I found a bunch of horseshoes out over here. This is deep. Whatever it is deep. Oh man, I just hit something hard down there. It's a big piece of iron. Is that right there? No, that's a rock. Oh, come on. Is it a horseshoe? Man, I'm sure hoping so, man. I would love to smack a horseshoe out right now. That would be epic, man. That would make my day big time. Oh, come on. Just the right level for a horseshoe too, man. Just the right level for a relic. We pulled up a lot of relics out of here about this depth here. Just gotta go easy with it, right? I don't know about this one. It's not a horseshoe, but it could be something awesome, man. Is it a buckle? Oh, is it a buckle? No. No. Just a bracket to something. Oh, it is a buckle. Oh, my Lord. Oh, dude. Oh, that's epic, man. It's still got the freaking clasp on it too, man. Dude, I got a killer buckle, dude.
Buckle?
Yeah.
Big one?
An iron one, yeah, dude.
Probably a horse.
Oh, that's sweet, yeah, man. It's deep too, man. That 6-inch coil goes deep.
Looks like either a trailer or the back end of a Tootsie Toy truck.
Oh, dude.
I didn't clean it up.
Yeah, there's a lot of Tootsie Toy parts out here.
Probably because there were a lot of kids here. And mentality of children, you know.
Gotta go easy with it. Look at that, man. Look at that. Still has a clasp on it and everything, man. Oh, dude. That's epic, man. I'll take that any day, man.
17-ish?
16, yep.
Yeah. Got some other metals in it then.
Yep. I'll be digging that one out here in a minute.
Jim found something. Hey, Jeremy. Jim's got to take off. He's got his truck for sale, and someone wants to see it.
Okay.
Turned off or something.
Okay.
All right. I found a nickel, but I don't know how it is. He's
Oh, yeah. This one sounds killer too, man.
yeah, somebody called about his truck or something.
Hell yeah. Oh, man. A root right there. Oh, that root's gonna be really bad. Oh, man. Oh, that root's right in the middle of my plug, man. This is not good. Oh, man. Right in the middle of my plug. Dang, man. Oh, this is gonna be the pain in the butt to get out. Oh, man, that sounds freaking awesome, man. Dude. Come on, baby. Let it be right in there. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Under the big root, man. This is where the old stuff is at, man. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go easy with this one because it could be a silver coin. I'm gonna go kind of easy with it. Try to use my hands as much as I can. Oh, that thing is all rotted out. That tree root's all rotted out. This thing sounds awesome, man. 6-inch coil. Come on, what can you do for me, baby? Bring some silver out. Oh, is it a horseshoe? No way. Oh, dude. Oh, it's a horseshoe, man. I think it's a horseshoe. I'm gonna go for it. Oh yeah, come on, bring it on. Is it my first horseshoe with the Equinox 800? Oh yeah, come on, bring it to daddy right here. Oh yeah, come on. Oh yeah? Yeah, there's a lot of cloud out here. It's amazing how much cloud is out here. Oh man, this is my first horseshoe with the Equinox, man. I'm excited. I'm excited, man. Come on, baby, where's he at? Come on, baby. Yeah. Bring it on. Oh, come on. Oh, that sounds killer, man. Oh, dude, is it a horseshoe, man? Oh, it sounds like a horseshoe. Yeah, come on, bring it on, baby. Oh, I think it's a pipe. It's a pipe. Yep, it's just a pipe. Yes, a piece of pipe. Oh man, that thing had me going big time. Throw that up next to the tree there. This is all coming down anyway. Okay, that's quite the endeavor. Thought I had a horseshoe there, but no. All this is being developed. It's all coming down. I normally don't throw iron, but you know, all this is coming down, right? Throw this back in the hole right there. Man, that sounded so good. That sounded so good, man. Oh, this knee pad. I gotta get new knee pads. This Velcro on my knee pads is just shot, completely gone. Junky. But I'm still digging these junky targets up because it could be anything, man. This soil here is kind of hot today. Oh yeah, bring it on. Bring it on. Oh, it should be right there. Oh, it's gonna be iron. Kind of sounded junky. Oh, there's some tile in the hole with it. That's a good thing. That could be a good thing. It just didn't sound very good.
Is that a TRX you got right there?
Yeah.
Managed to make that one last a while. Those green ones haven't been available for a while.
Yeah. I used two of them. I have two pinpointers in the box that I haven't even opened up yet.
Because you like them so much, you bought them up.
Right, yeah.
I sold a few detectors that way and shipped them because people wanted them. Beach Hunter. There was another one. Yeah, people
Snail.
didn't need it
Right
yet,
there.
but didn't want them not to have one available when they wanted one. So
Yeah.